In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in New Orleans. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official City of New Orleans website at nola.gov. Using the official city site is important because it helps make sure you're accessing the correct payment page and not a third-party website. Once you're on the site, look for the section labeled Pay Traffic Ticket or Moving Violation and click on it. This will take you to the page specifically meant for handling traffic ticket payments and related information. Before you continue, take a moment to read the instructions on the page under how to pay your traffic ticket. This section gives helpful guidance about the process, and it's a good idea to review it so you know what to expect before entering any information. After that, click on the option labeled Online. This will direct you to the online payment path, which is the fastest option if you want to handle your citation from home. Next, click on Pay Traffic Ticket. At this point, make sure you have your traffic citation with you because you'll need the details exactly as they appear on the paperwork. The page also notes that only Visa, MasterCard, and Discover are accepted, so it's helpful to have one of those cards ready before moving forward. When prompted, enter your citation information carefully. Type in your specific ticket or citation number exactly as shown on your paperwork. If your citation is a Louisiana State Trooper citation with an S prefix, be sure to include that letter before the numbers. This detail matters because leaving it out could prevent the system from locating your ticket correctly. You may also notice an option to pay by phone. That can be useful if you prefer not to complete the process online. But if your goal is to pay through the website, you can stay on the online payment route and continue entering the required details there. Finally, pay close attention to the information about your appearance or arraignment date. The traffic citation or summons issued by the officer includes the first appearance date on the front, and you must take action or appear on or before that date. This is very important because missing that deadline can lead to additional consequences. As a quick tip, double check all the information you enter before submitting your payment, especially the citation number. Once your payment is complete, keep any confirmation page, email receipt, or reference number for your records, and that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in New Orleans.